Now I would like to invite this rock star onto the stage. That is Arun. You all know him. Uh, Please, Arun, welcome onto the stage. Uh, I guess everybody knows Arun here, right? So any program that you want to attend or host or do anything about remotely on anything in Atlanta around in Georgia, they immediately come in contact with Arun as a starting point. Or so we refer him as all rounder. Okay. So he coordinates with numerous meditation masters across US for various events and is known for organizing 24-hour meditation sessions. Who knows 24 hours meditation sessions here that Arun organizes? Okay. So Arun sits in meditation for 24 hours at a stretch. Okay. So it happens, every full moon. Right now he's doing it every full moon. So the main objective behind this is nobody will be able to say, I don't have time for meditation. First thing is he's setting an example. And the second thing is he's opening his house for everyone. So in those 24 hours, you can come at any point of time and sit with him for any minutes or hours at a stretch. Or you can take breaks, you can meditate. Now you don't have any reason to say, I don't have time, I don't have, whenever I have time, I don't have any events to attend. So that is the main reason, main motto behind it. And he meditates continuously for the entire duration. Arun is always there to support any event, no matter the day, offering his help and expertise. Thank you, Arun. I invite Srini Garu and Chandra, Praveen, please come on to the stage. Yeah, Praveen and Srini Garu, yes. Sound down. Arun, few words from you. It's only 2 words. Arun, you should say gratitude. Gratitude. Yes. Thank you.